He likes that toy. Hey, Skeeny. Oops. Poor Skeeny. We've lost both of her favorite toys. You ate one of them. Skeeny. Now you keep looking at that bookcase. Where did your toys go? Oh, Skeeny. To go and buy some more for you. And we have to find the one that's lost. It's got to be somewhere in the bedroom. Where are you going now? It's not on that side. She's looking for her toy. I was sick in bed with terrible food poisoning all day yesterday. And so the dogs and the cats were all just sleeping on the bed with me. Except for Gertie, who was on the floor. And Puka was bored. And he brought up a yogurt container, started chomping it, but I thought he might be eating the plastic, so I got rid of it. And then he found Kinikai's toy. And he chewed it all to pieces. Yeah, Skeeny, you're looking for your toy, huh? Aw, Skeeny. I'm sorry, Skeen. I have another one there, but you don't like that one. It's too big. Poor Skeeny. Let's go see if we can go and find your toy. There's got to be one somewhere. Okay, we'll go.